Are you afraid of losing your files to a hard drive crash or a ransomware attack? Are you tired of doing backups manually? Here's a tool that might solve your problems. This is Leo from File Critic, and today we'll be reviewing Acronis True Image 2016. After a very simple installation process and account setup, you will be greeted by this screen. Now, this is a very clean and simplistic user interface, which should be easy to use for just about anyone. On the left-hand side, we have our different menu sections, and on the right-hand side, we have the interface for that particular section. Now, as you would expect, the first home screen shows us what is going to be backed up and where. You can change both of these parameters. Right now, we're backing up our files and folders in the Documents folder to the Acronis Cloud storage. It shows us the date and time of our last backup, when our next backup is scheduled, and the total size of the files that we're going to back up. Now, both of these things can be changed, keep in mind, and it has a really nice option to recover files in case you lose them. And if we go into options, you can set the exact schedule at what time you want the backup process to run, or you can make it non-stop, which means that it's going to do that all the time. Or you can just do it manually and not schedule it at all. I'd recommend setting this to daily, as that gives the best performance and reliability. Now, you can send email notifications to your own email address whenever a backup is done, or if it failed or something like that, the operation state. And you can add certain things to exclusions. By default, it has all these folders which are not going to be backed up. You also have an option of cleaning it up automatically. So it automatically deletes file versions that are older than 6 months. Again, everything is customizable here. You can also change performance parameters. So if it's slowing down your system, you can set it to operation priority to low. By default, it's set to enable maximum performance, but if you have a faster computer and you want better operation, you can always change with these things. You can increase the operation priority to make the backup process faster, and you can change the data upload speed as well. Now you can select where your data is going to be stored. The data center, by default, it's selected to be stored in the United States. This could affect latency. The second mode has an analyze option, which lets you scan your computer for old and unused files that are pretty big and are taking up unnecessary space on your hard drive. What Acronis is going to do is it's going to find those files, and then it's going to back them up so that you can delete those files and free up some disk space. If you have a really fast internet access, this might be a useful option for you. Acronis also provides an online dashboard so that you can manage backups of multiple devices with ease. The sync window shows if your backups are synchronized both on the cloud and the folders on your PC. You can obviously add new syncs. You can sync with the Acronis Cloud or your other computers if you have multiple devices, or you can directly sync with your other devices too. Now, here we have some advanced tools. The advanced tools here allow you to clone your entire disk or create a rescue kind of disk where even if your system is totally down or your operating system won't boot up, you can create a completely bootable solution from your previous backup. Now, they have a universal restore and parallels access, which means you can access your PC from a smartphone or tablet, but this requires additional download. Now, they also have some additional tools like Startup Recovery Manager, Secure Zone, and they're all accessible via these shortcuts over here. And you can even do a system cleanup and remove traces and all sorts of things. So It is truly a complete package. You can even clean your drive, add a new disk, create a system report, lots of cool stuff. So now let's demonstrate the backup capabilities. As you've seen, we already have our documents folder backed up. So let's just say that I accidentally happen to delete this permanently. Whoops. Uh-oh, now this file is gone. But thankfully, it is backed up to my cloud. So all I have to do is hit recover files, and I can basically recover my data from my cloud. And now we can have our beautiful background back, resurrected. And now my final thoughts on Acronis True Image 2016. It does pack a lot of features, and what it's supposed to do, that is back up your files, it does very elegantly and in a very easy way for all types of users. Now at $60, it is a bit expensive for something that you could also get for free if you use other tools. There are other cloud services that you can get for free, but again, they have limited storage. So given all the features, I do think their pricing is justified. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you did, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and yes, check out our website, www.filecritic.com, and be sure to check out our written review there as well. This is Leo, signing out.